Don't worry, Ralphie. The old flea dip will be over before you know it.
Come on, boy. Flea dip time. There's a good boy.
All right, let's get this over with. I guess it's better than having fleas.
Okay, boy. Now you stay right here and you dry up, okay? I'll be right back.
I feel kind of strange. Something's wrong. What's happening to me? No, it can't be! No!
Behold, the dog. We know him as man's best friend. But what do we really know? In truth, all dogs belong to a secret organization dedicated to keeping mankind safe from really bad stuff. These are their amazing true stories. These are the secret files of the Spy Dogs.
How could this have happened? No, it's not possible. It's just all too horrible. I'm a cat! A cat!
What's going on in here? How did this cat get in here? Get out! Shoo! Shoo, 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 shoo! Appointments only!
Whoa! I've got to get home and contact Dog Zero.
Excuse me, Mr. Cat, but just where do you think yous are traversing? This just so happens to be our Teufly abode.
No, I'm not a cat. I'm a dog.
Has it occurred to you, Mr. Dog, that you have little whiskers and pointy ears?
No, really. I'm a dog.
Hey, Anthony, come over here and look at this cat what is purporting to be a dog.
If you was a dog, then bark like a dog.
That's easy.
Aw, ain't that sweet? I am regretful, but we will have to chase you now. No hard feelings, of course. It is our doggy duty.
Oh, man, I don't believe this.
As they say, Anthony, one cannot always be the early bird. Worm wisely speaking, of course. Leave us go get a root beer.
Agent Ralph.
Don't look at me, Dog Zero. I'm hideous.
Take off that stupid towel. I know exactly what's happened to you. It's happening to dogs all over the world. Dogs everywhere are turning into cats. This evidence was found at the flea dip mixing plant. Ralph, that's a hairball. Find him, Ralph. Find him and stop these tragic transformations. Dog Zero out.
My plan is working beautifully.
My DNA-altering flea dip is a success! For years I have struggled in vain against those horrid spy dogs. Now, they are cats, and they will have no choice but to join me. It is like I always say, if you cannot beat them, make them join you.
Oh, how did you filthy cats get in here? Angus, wait, it's me, Ralph. All right, and I'm Furry Space of the Space Girls. Away with you! Angus! Angus, if this wasn't me, how would I know about that tattoo you have on your... You'll have to do better than that. Anyone who has seen this year's Spy Dog calendar knows that. All right. How would I know about what you've really been stuffing in your haggis? Haggis, help. All right, I believe you. Now, down to business. Through an elaborate scientific process, I've concocted an antidote to the DNA-altering flea dip. It took me a go... Oh! What are you doing, lassie? Mitzi, you're taking a bath. I mean, we're standing right in front of you.
What am I doing? I'm mortified.
Mitz, you really have to control those cat impulses. Ralph! What are you doing to me, Banneker?
Yeah, Ralph. You really need to control those cat impulses.
Sorry. Ah! Stop that, you wee beastly! You're disgusting me! The lot of you! Now go out and put a stop to this insanity! The problem is that the antidote must be mixed into the original batch of Catastrophe's flea dip, which must be sequestered somewhere in Catastrophe's secret lair.
Anything?
I can't smell a thing.
We're cats. We can't pick up the scent. What do we do now?
We wait until dark.
Get the lad out, will ya? Catastrophe's wanting all of us to return to the pit.
Come on, Mitz.
Ralph, we'll never be able to follow them at night. They're cats.
Mitz, so are we.
Oh, yeah.
We can see pretty well in the dark.
Wow, it's like we have night vision goggles. The old abandoned warehouse district. Who would have guessed?
Yeah, maybe we'd cut down on crime if we just got rid of a few of these old abandoned warehouses.
Agent Mitzi to base. We're going to need a little backup here.
Yeah, you could say that again.
I am so pleased to see you, especially looking so very exquisitely feline. As you have no doubt learned, the world is a frightening place for a stray cat. Come, join me, and together, we cats will rule the world!
You're forgetting something, Catastrophe. You may have changed our outsides. And even our insides, but we're all still dogs at heart.
Oh, Big Wolf.
So do you, Mitz.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Jump to the catnip!
Man, you got to lay off the catnip.
Quick,
can't beat them in cat-to-cat combat! Mitzi, go for it! Spy dogs, run through the stream! Game's up, Catastrophe.
You'll never take me alive! No. You may have won this battle, spy dogs. What am I doing? Disgusting! Where was I? Oh, yes. But the war is far from over!
You know, all in all, Mitz, it wasn't so bad being a cat.
Wasn't so bad. Ralph, it was disgusting! And all the napping and the sleeping. I'll be coughing up pink fur balls for a month!
Calm down, Mitz. Everything's back to normal. Although I am a little worried